Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to use circle to search feature on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device or any other Pixel device running the latest Android version. So you can use circle to search feature to quickly find the related product or related image search on your Pixel device. By default, enable circle to search feature on your device. If you use a full screen gesture, just tap and hold the bottom middle, long press it, and you can see now circle you want to find the related product, and make sure internet is working. Now here we select the image display a Google folder on an Android device containing the several Google application. So it will automatically identify the photo you select on your device, and you can see the related images also at the bottom. So you can direct access any link from this. So very helpful feature if you find the related product or related any search product or any important document on your device. Just tap on it and it will open the tap on a widget to open the website from the home screen also. So this is one of the most useful feature to find the related product or search the related product on using this Google circle to search feature on your Pixel 10 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this feature. Thank you for watching this.